Hey Deena, this is John, West Coast Connects. Ron reached out, spoke with you on Thursday, promised this free video, so here it is. Gonna keep it pretty short and sweet. Just want to show you a couple of tips you can do to increase customer and flow and really work to get traffic on from online. So with that, all I ask is that at the end, if you can shoot me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to hear your thoughts. So here it goes. My first tip would be to get a website. So there's a couple reasons why you want a website. And number one is there's 1.2 trillion searches in Google every year. And just in the Las Vegas Henderson area for electricians, there's 1,800 searches a month for electrician in that area. So there definitely is traffic that for customers that are wanting electricians. It's just a matter of having a place for them to go in which they can call you. Um, and obviously, Facebook and all that stuff works, but a lot of times when they look for electricians, they're just going to search like Las Vegas electrician, and whatever pops up, they're going to go through those names unless they have somebody that they already know about. So, word of mouth still works, but again, we're living in a different age where now it's a lot of times people find that going online is a lot easier than calling their friends and trying to find stuff out. They can find a lot of information quickly on their phone. So, really important to have a website for that reason. Another reason is it just adds authority and, accountability really to your business. A lot of times customers, want to see a website where they can look and see information about the company, the services you offer, and stuff like that. So it's just a great way to kind of connect with your clientele as well. So that would be my first tip. My second tip would be to optimize your Google My Business listing. And this, generally goes hand in hand with your website if and when you do get one up, um, and they kind of strengthen each other. And really, what you want in order to optimize this and build this out is a couple of things. Number one, you want a high star rating and a lot of reviews. It's about quality and quantity here. So 16 reviews is a good start, but really you'll get to that triple digits, try to get to that quadruple digits, and add those as many 5-star ratings as you want, or as you can. You typically would like to be in the 4.7 to 5.0 range. Um, you want to add photos, and you want these photos to be keyword specific. So if I'm wanting to be found for, say, Electrician Henderson, I would save one of those pictures as that keyword. And then when I upload it, Google knows, hey, this Google My Business has to do with this, and they can start ranking you for that in those map packs. And the map pack is, so say I search Electrician Henderson, Nevada. If somebody's running an ad, a lot of times the ads come to the front, and then these top three businesses, these top three Google My Business listings are the map pack. And as you can see, Calidus is at the top, 5-star rating, 87 reviews. So they have the most reviews, and they have it's a perfect rating. So really, that's kind of what you want in order to build that out there. And then you really want your Google My Business on as many directories and listings as you can. It just adds strength to it. We call them citations. You want this out on the web. It just adds authority to your Google My Business. So that would be my second tip. My third tip would be, once you do have a site up, to strengthen that site. And I'll show you what that looks like in a couple of your competitors. So I looked up Electrician Henderson, Nevada, primarily because if you see here, this is the volume of searches per month for the keyword, and this is the keyword difficulty. And the keyword difficulty is how hard is it to rank in the top 10 or on the first page on a 0 to 100 scale. Okay, so as you can see here, double-digit numbers until you get to Electrician Henderson, Nevada, which has 100 searches and a KD of 1. So that, it's a lot easier to start ranking for that one and start getting getting some traffic that way. So Um, I went ahead and looked at a couple of your competitors, Calidus and Southwest Electric. And so we'll look at Calidus's strength of their site. It is pretty strong. Typically, and this is this is the strength of your site right here, and this is on a 0 to 100 scale. So as you can see, their numbers are pretty high, and you want a 1-to-1 scale. It's a little off on a 1-to-1 scale, but their numbers are pretty high and they're doing pretty well. And typically, what you want is you want as high a number as possible, and again, you want that 1-to-1 scale. They have 270 referring domains or 270 websites that are sending them 5,700 links back to their site. They're ranking in the top 100 in 550 keywords. They're getting 276 searches a month, and Google estimates that I'd have to spend $2,200 in Google ads to get the same amount of traffic. So, and that's per month. So they're doing, they're doing a lot. Their site's strong. Looking at Southwest, not quite as strong. Not even close, really. This is their site, almost zero. Three websites sending them 8 links. They're ranking the top 110 keywords. They're getting 22 searches a month, and their traffic value is $131. So this would be pretty easy to beat out and to outrank. This one, not so much. It would take some time and some money to get on top of them. So, those would be my 3 tips. So, get a website up and running. Optimize your Google My Business listing, and when you have your website up and running, build out the back end and really strengthen up your site. So I hope this has been helpful. If you need somebody that knows what they're doing that can help you out and get this done, we'd love to help you. But with that, have a great day and God bless. Bye.